adjectives. All right? Numeral adjectives. Okay, start writing, please. These adjectives answer the question how many. These adjectives answer. I think super easy statements. Definitely आप सबको खुद से ही उसमें judgment हो जाएगी. There are no pictures in this book. No.
In second sentence,
Ma'am,
no.
second is
No
no.
pictures.
No. All right,
No.
good. Third one.
All.
All. All right, ji. Very good. Okay, you have got the idea. Or, so demonstrative adjectives, these basically point out which person or thing is meant. All right, let us see some of the good examples of it, please. Younger than you. ऑल राइट ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक बिल्कुल माइन्यूट सा आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बताता होता है. हम देन में मिस्टेक करते हैं, राइट? वी हैव टू देन्स, वन इज दिस एंड द अदर इज THEN, राइट? सो लेट मी टेल यू, the first one is used for drawing comparison between one thing and the other. ये comparison के लिए यूज होता है कि मैं कहती हूँ कि this building is taller than the other, ठीक है? उसके मुकाबले में ये टॉल है. और अगर मैं कहती हूँ ना देन दिस वन, दिस इज बेसिकली एन एडवर्ब जो कि शो करता है टाइम को, तब. इसका मतलब है तब, ठीक है? आई विल टेल यू देन, कि मैं तुम्हें तब बताऊंगी, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे ये माइनर सा डिफरेंस है, लेकिन नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक करते हैं इंग्लिश राइटिंग में, तो ये आप लोगों ने फोकस करना है, इस चीज को अवॉइड करना है, ठीक है? ऑल राइट जी. नेक्स्ट आप देख लीजिए, जैसे मैंने आपको कल देयर और देयर में हम कैसे मिस्टेक करते हैं. ओके, all right, next one is I hate such things. I hate such things. Number 3, those criminals must be punished. The must be, yes please, in number 1 sentence, what do we have? A demonstrative adjective. Yes,
This boy.
yes, very good. All right, next is I hate such things.
Such things is
Excellent.
Ma'am,
Very
in
good.
this such thing.
Yes, good. Ruman and Kiran both are fine. Both of you are correct. Next, Miss Rabia, please, you will tell us. Those criminals must be punished.
Ma'am, punished.
Okay. Here, is there anyone who will rectify?
Criminal.
Criminal.
Those.
must be.
Excellent. Sir Shahryar is very right. Those, right, students? हमने कल क्या पढ़ा था? उसमें nouns में, demonstrative nouns में हमने ये देखा था ना? Interrogative adjectives. By the end, मैं सबसे I would like to have all of your examples, one example for each category, ठीक है? आप लोग मुझे बताइएगा इन पे कि सब की एक एग्जाम्पल, कि आप लोगों की खुद की एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो सकती हैं. ओके जी. Now next we have students. Let us switch to the next page. Okay. It's type number 6, interrogative. Just like interrogative pronouns, we do have in type of question mark. Next sentence, please. Which way shall we go? Which way shall we go? Okay. Anyone from the audience who wants to tell me the correct answer? What are interrogative adjectives?
In first sentence, what?
Very
In
good.
first sentence, what?
Second one?
Yes.
In
Which.
Second is which.
Which. All right. So these are interrogative adjectives. Definitely, they're all about question words or WH family भी हम जिसको कहते हैं, ठीक है? कि ऐसा एक word होता है. What is sometimes used? A word which is all right. It is the word what actually, ठीक है? Word की बात करें. The word what is sometimes used as an exclamatory. Now, number 3 is every dog has his day. Every dog has his day. Yes. Come on, students.
Also numeral.
Yes,
also
it's
Numeral, ma'am.
numeral. Very right. Next is he is a man of few words. He's a man of few
Ma'am,
words.
numeral.
Yes.
Quantity.
It is basically adjective of few. Just check out. Next is he is all right. There should
Adjective
not
of
be much
quality.
talk, little
Ma'am,
work.
quality.
Okay, it
Ma'am,
is basic.
adjective of quality.
Yes, it is going to be your adjective of quantity. Fine, good. All right. Next, please. All men.
Numeral, ma'am. All men
Numeral.
must die.
Good. These
Adjective of
mangoes
number.
are sour. These
Ma'am,
mangoes.
demonstrative.
Demonstrative. Good. Some dreams are like reality. Some dreams are like reality.
Ma'am, adjective of number.
Number. Very good.
Adjective of number.
Yes, I do not like that man.
Demonstrative.
Very good.
Demonstrative.
Well
ma'am.
done.
Demonstrative.
He has little intelligence.
Quality.
Yes,
Adjective
it
of
is
quality.
little new. It is basically
Quality and
quantity.
numeral.
It is quantity. He has little
ma'am.
intelligence. It is measuring your quantity, na? So this is adjective
Okay,
of
okay.
quantity, right? So coming towards number 11, many candidates applied. Many is adjective of
Numeral.
excellent. Number
Numeral.
12, they are clever politicians.
Quality.
Very
Adjective
good.
of quality.
He is a man. He is a manly man. He is a manly man. Again, adjective of quality. Very good, Miss
Quality.
Rabia.
Word,
Yes.
quality.
All right. Number 14, I have enough books. मेरे पास काफी books हैं. So enough
Number.
is
Ma'am, adjective of
Numeral,
number.
ma'am.
it is
Numeral, ma'am.
numeral. Very good.
Number.
Yes, very good. All right, Ji. I have enough sugar. I have enough sugar.
Adjective of numeral.
It is
Numeral.
number 15. We have adjective of quantity, not number. Can we measure sugar? आपने यहाँ पे फोकस करना है स्टूडेंट्स. यहाँ मिस्टेक नहीं करनी. नॉर्मली इंग्लिश में हम लोग कॉन्सेप्ट को नहीं समझते. अगर मैं कहती हूँ आई हैव एनफ शुगर, तो क्या मैं शुगर को नंबर्स में मेंशन कर सकती हूँ कि मेरे पास 1 शुगर है, 2 शुगर है, 3 शुगर है? ऐसा कर सकती हूँ? नहीं कर सकती ना. Yes, students.
Yes, you are right.
राइट. सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दिस वर्ड. हमने फिर लोकेट करना है कि ऐसा कौन सा काइंड होगा एडजेक्टिव का जिसपे ये फॉल करेगा. ठीक है, तो दिस इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ
Quantity.
एक्सलेंट. किरण, वेरी राइट. दिस इज क्वांटिटी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये क्वालिटी नहीं होगा, ये क्वांटिटी होगा, क्योंकि हमेशा शुगर की क्वांटिटी मेजर की जाती है. उसको न्यूमरल ऑर्डर में हम मेजर नहीं कर सकते.
Numeral.
Numeral, excellent. Yes, Roman. Okay. Next is all work was done by him. All work was done by him.
Numeral.
Numeral again.
Numeral, ma'am.
Okay. Can we measure? Can we measure number of works? No, work is something. It's in massive form, na. So it is going
Ma'am,
to be
quality.
quantity. It is going to be quantity. All right.
Quantity,
students?
ma'am.
Yes, he has found a unique coin. A unique
Quality.
coin. Yes, good. Here are some ripe mangoes.
Quality.
Quality.
Very good. He did not
Quality.
not eat
Rice.
any rice. He did not eat any rice. It's going to be
Quantity.
excellent. Quantity. Very
Any
right.
quantity.
Any's quantity. Very right.
You need to watch this movie. Let's go! Introducing Article Brothers. Meet the 3 Article Brothers. A and the. All 3 brothers like to point out nouns. The twin articles A and N like to point out singular nouns. The elder brother, the, likes to point out both singular and plural nouns. A and N are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Though they are twins, both have hobbies. The article A is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo. The article N likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant. Come, let's look at a few sentences where these three article brothers appear together. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Thus, we can say that articles A and N are used to introduce a singular noun. Article the is used when we talk about the introduced noun the second time. In this case, it is the stall. So, Sia, now do you know when to use A, N and the?
Yes, thanks Elvis for showing me this great movie. I now know that A is used with nouns that begin with consonants. N is used with nouns that begin with vowels. And the is used to talk about already introduced nouns. Can we have a selfie now? Please?
Retaining, heading off. आप कभी भी स्टूडेंट्स को बताएं तो आप उनको बता सकते हैं कि डिटर्मिनर्स को आर्टिकल्स भी कहा जाता है या आर्टिकल्स को डिटर्मिनर्स भी कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो राइट डाउन प्लीज. द एंड A/N articles, definite and indefinite articles. नंबर 1, अब इसके मैं यूजेस बता रही हूँ आपको. ठीक है. यूजेस की हेडिंग दे लें प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स. नंबर 1 यूजेस में हम क्या देखते हैं. वी यूज डेफिनेट. वी यूज डेफिनेट आर्टिकल और डेफिनेट. We use definite article to make, to mean particular. Indefinite articles जैसे कि नाम से ही जाहिर है कि वो definite नहीं होते. ठीक है. To mean sure, in unsure, not certain. They are कि generally हम उनको use करते हैं. Okay. Next, number 3. When we are particular or an. Okay. Examples are all right. Example लिख लीजिए स्टूडेंट. आपको बहुत ज़बरदस्त इसमें आइडिया क्लियर होगा. Just think of the sky. All right. मैं अब आपको एक जनरल बात बताती हूँ. आप लोग ज़रा सोचें स्काई के बारे में at night. ठीक है. Just think of the sky at night. In the sky, what do you think? Which is a definite thing and what are indefinite things? आपको क्या लगता है? अगर
Definite thing.
मून जैसे डेफिनेट.
Excellent. Very good. At night, if we look at sky, right students, so what is a definite thing? एक जो definite चीज़ है जो हमें सिर्फ एक ही नज़र आती है वो क्या है? मून है. और indefinite चीज़ें कौन सी हो सकती हैं?
स्टार्स.
Excellent. What an idea. So if we look at the sky during night, right, we see that we do have one definite moon and the other indefinite stars. They are in general, like there are many. All right. So it is said that whenever we are talking about some particular thing, right, then we use the before the nouns, and when we talk about something in general, we use a or an. Okay.
A verb tells what jump, run, play. Those are all verbs. He sits in the grass. The word sits is a word that tells an action. Sits is a verb. I jump in the air. The word jump is a word that tells an action. Jump is a verb. I run outside. The word run is a word that tells an action. I eat ice cream. The word eat is a word that tells an action.